Hi folks, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a square that is equal in area to the difference of two given squares. So the first thing to do is to draw AB equal in length to one of the side of the square, of the smaller square. So I'll draw AB equal in length to the side of one of the given smaller square, and you construct a perpendicular AX at A. So what we're going to be doing, I'll draw AB. So assuming the smaller square is having a length of, let's say, 4 or 6 centimeters. So I'll draw 6 centimeters. This will be AB. This is AB. Then I'll construct a perpendicular at A. So the side of the smaller square is 6 centimeters, and let's say the side of the larger square is 9 centimeters. Now all you need to do is with center B and radius equal to the side of the given larger square, cut an arc to cut the perpendicular. So assuming, okay, let's make it of 8 this time around. Let's make it of 8. So assuming the radius of the larger square is 8, open the compass to 8 centimeters. Let's even use 7 centimeters. So I have the 7 centimeter line. So actually the smaller square is when I measured it, it's actually 5 centimeters, and the larger square has a side of 7. So then I will join B to C. This is the new intersection C. So this is C. And then finally we'll construct a square on AC. So all you need to do is you extend the line to the right, then you construct a square on AC. So you just need to make use of your compass to measure the length of the side, and then you cut that off, then you cut it here, cut the length also bottom here. So when you join all these intersections, you get a square, and this square will be equal to the difference in the area of the two initial squares. So let's call it square ACXY. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.